What'd you get?
It's a red car.
Pearl, stop looking at the baby.
It's a red car.
It is a red car. Do you love it?
Take it. But I want a trolley.
He'll ride in trolley. Can you say thank you, Aunt Natalie? Alex, can you say thank you, Aunt Natalie? Alex.
Of course.
Can you say thank you, Aunt Natalie? Please? Can you say thank you, TJ?
Thank you, TJ.
Aw, that was sweet. Do you love the cars?
It's a red car.
Yeah, it is a red car. And another red car. And a blue car.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
It's a blue car.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's a remote. I guess there's something in here that we can use a remote with. How fun.
Red cars. Red.
What's that?
It's a car.
Is it?
It's a car.
Cool.
It's a truck.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought it was a truck. Oh,
Go truck.
there's another remote. I bet you can use it on some of these cars. There's a track. Cool. This is so cool.
It's a big truck.
Yeah, oh look. Whoa.
Too heavy.
It's so heavy, yeah.
It's
Oh. And here's some directions for Dada.
Oh, good. There came with directions.
Here's some directions for Dada to put it together.
a red car.
So we'll just let Dada take care of that part.
It's a red car.
Oh wow, look. See, she was nice. Thank you, Natalie. Thank you for putting all these directions because I know I sure would not know what to do. Yeah, red car. Cool. And we also have another box. So let me stop this video and we'll look at the other box too.